How to fix Monopoly Go can't find friends. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can fix Monopoly Go can't find friends. Now before I move further, I must inform you that whenever you have issues like this, where you cannot find your friends or where you cannot find your friends or you cannot your invite link is not working etc, you have to ensure that it's either an error from your mobile device or an update problem. So the first thing to do is to log out of the application this way by minimizing it and then going to your Play Store. Now once you're on your Play Store, type in the search box, type out Monopoly Go. Right, once you type it out, and if there is a new update on the app, you will see the option update next to the play icon. Okay, just click on it and update the app. Once you've updated the app, go back to your account and then search for your friends, and definitely you will find your friends. But if you still can't find your friends, go to your phone settings. Yes, and then on the settings page, locate app management, which is under notification center and above privacy. Once you click on app management, on the app management page, select app list, and then on the app list, search out Monopoly Go. Okay, so you searched it out on the Monopoly Go's app. Our next focus is on storage and cache. Okay, storage and cache. So just click on storage and cache, and then clear the cache and storage. Then, if you've tried this and it still doesn't work, go ahead and uninstall the app. Uninstall the app and will install it again. Once that is done, you will definitely find friends on Monopoly Go, because without friends, Monopoly Go won't be as fun as it should. So I am sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.